Today I'm in Johor Bahru and I'm in like the western part of JB, and I'm meeting somebody that I met the other weekend at the Art of Speed Malaysia. His name is Max. He's got quite a collection of classic cars himself. And today he's going to show me a local flea market here in JB, and then possibly we're going to a car restoration workshop, I think. Maybe it's his friend or maybe it's just a local person. So we're going to check that out. So let's see what happens. Oh, no. No, it's all good. It's all good. Have a look at the colour of this 240. Oh, there's a car behind me. The colour of it is very unique. It's a dark blue. I don't think I've seen it before. We got a V70 over here on the R spec wheels as well, which looks really good. 300 CE 24 valve. Another Volvo there. Must be the Volvo club is here or something, because there's just so many of them. Ah, look at that front end. The best front end. Brown interior as well. I love it. The wood paneling on it though.
Is wood or is it sticker or?
Yeah, I think it would.
Interesting.
Oh wow.
Cool, right?
I don't think I've seen one like that before, Max.
Well, so it's upket by now.
Yeah, nice. Oh, it's manual. Yeah.
Yeah, I can go on. I'll wait for you.
Lada Niva. Oh, look at it just chilling out here. Oh my goodness. Well, this is an omen of things to come, everybody, because upcoming in my journey will be I'll be driving one of these. So make sure to follow for that. But look at this thing. Ah, I love it. Who would have thought that I would find one here in Malaysia? Anyway, I got Max driving me. Hey bro. I got Max driving me in his Volvo. This is very exciting. Now how many Lada Nivas are there in Malaysia?
I have no idea what car is that. You need to let me know what is that again?
That is a Lada Niva. The Defender, couple of Defenders. Look at the Cruiser. Oh, she's getting some sound editing put in. Oh, old school winch. Oh, what have we got down the side here? There's lots of stuff. A few Mercedes, quite a few Mercedes. Engine out. Spare parts. Actually, engines. Another one on the lift here. It's a beautiful car. Whoa. Citroen Sedan. Oh yeah, the engine. Oh, there's like a Porsche engine over in the corner. Man, he's got that many projects here.
Yes, that's my Morris there.
Oh, there in the corner.
Yeah.
In undercoat grey, or is that going to be the final colour? That's the final colour. Okay, yeah, grey. Yeah, nice. Yeah, they're packed in here tight, aren't they?
This is considered a space. Okay, here.
Oh, he's got the rolls out the side. With no engine. Sorry? Oh, yeah, okay. Dog there that's not going to bite me.
It's a Fiat 600.
Fiat 600, the little red one in the corner there. Engines. Oh, this must be the limousine. Look how long that rear door is. Like you got all that. Very cool.
It's an E-Type, I guess.
E-Type Jag under there?
Yeah.
How can you tell that? Have you seen it?
I've seen the light. Yeah, I've seen this.
Oh, okay, okay. Because that's pretty good spotting if you knew that that was an E-Type Jag under the road.
But
yeah.
I just guessed because you know, see the bonnet is very
So long. Yeah, yeah. So he tells me Land Rover Mercedes, but I've seen 3 Rolls-Royces sitting in here as well. Hey? Yeah, spare parts galore. Oh, it is too. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. And then the Porsche over behind it as well.
You're right, there's a lot of Rolls-Royce. That is so cute, right?
The little Abarth engine. It's tiny, isn't it?
It's super tiny.
Turbocharged direct injection. And is that a Fiat?
Yep.
Yeah. I'm not familiar with the model, Max.
I have no idea. But I know it's a Fiat.
It's a Fiat, yeah. Very interesting. Removable?
Looks like it.
Yeah, yeah. Very cool. Landy at the front. Manual. Whoa, this Benz has been here a while. Look at that. It's nearly rotted into the ground. She's sat here a while, Max. Oh, this one's got an intercooler in it.
This is a taxi.
Oh, yeah, this one's a taxi. Yeah. So how can you tell it's a taxi? Just the colour?
The color.
Yeah?
It used to be an old taxi. A retired taxi, I guess.
Yeah, right. It's been here a long time. Look at those tyres. But did you see the engine that's in this one? I don't want to like touch it or anything, but that's a 1JZ. That's the same engine that was in that Land Cruiser at the market.
You're right.
And he's got a big intercooler on it as well. So maybe I could drive this with Joe up to Cambodia or something. Oh, there's the original engine in the passenger seat. Yeah, yeah. I like this. Oh yeah, and he's got the auto in it too. Yeah. I thought he said he doesn't do modifications. This is pretty modified, this one.
Maybe originally it's not from him.
I like it. Oh, there's the Jeep over there as well. Old school Jeep, that's pretty cool. And the 924 Porsche. Wow. Wow. Look at the size of the hose.
That's the only thing. Go there,
Wow. Oh, the 240. Yes. Oh, 330. On the Bourbon rims too. Beetles everywhere. Mercedes-Benz. Oh, the Corolla, is it? Look at all these Beatles people. It's just, it's endless. So I'm at a rust repair workshop here in Johor Bahru. The gentleman has said that I can go around and take some film, and the guys are actively working, so it's a bit noisy. We're having a rain shower too. Again, more noise, so we'll see what happens with the video, but there's that many cars here getting worked on, customer cars and everything, like, it's kind of ridiculous. Oh, the Escort. Oh, yes. Big combi as well. Morris. Max, there's so many cars in here. It's crazy. Yeah. No, it's awesome. I love seeing rough cars. That's great. Oh, try not to cut yourself. Have a look at this, the cut roof. Two-door with the cut roof. Look at them all. Can you believe the number of cars here?
National car, the first Malaysian national car.
This is, okay, and what is it?
Proton Saga. Proton?
Proton?
Saga.
Saga, okay. The first Malaysian
first
car.
model.
Yeah, right. And then
That's Amazon.
that's the Amazon with
Yeah,
the cut roof, I can see.
Top the roof.
And then he tells me that that's a Holden. Well, I don't know how close I can get to it. Geez, there's not much left of it. Sitting under there.
Just the body shell, right?
Yeah, getting crushed by the Mercedes-Benz. Oh, very cool.